Take command of the road in the 2013 Jeep Patriot. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The following features are included: a tachometer, heated seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.